Good afternoon and a cold afternoon. Let's talk about using graphing calculator to graph some equation, and let's try understand the graph. So if you have any graphing calculator, you can use those graphing calculator to graph equations. If you don't have one, you can find several graphing calculator online. Right now I'm using one graphing calculator that Google gave me online, and the web address for this graphing calculator is www.desmos.com/calculator. So in order to use this graphing calculator, I need to put the formula for the equation here. So right now I'm trying to graph the equation x square minus 4, or basically I am trying to graph y equal to x square minus 4. So I typed in x square minus 4 in a little box that comes with the calculator, and this is the graph I will get. Well, when we graph any equation, there are several things we need to notice. Well, one thing is we should notice wherever this graph is intersecting x-axis and y-axis. If the point, at the point where the graph intersects y-axis, the x will be always 0. And this point, for this graph is intersecting y-axis at this point where y equal to -4. This y equal to -4 is called y-intercept. So I can say y-intercept for this graph is -4. Similarly, if I look the graph, it is intersecting x-axis at 2 points, x equal to -2 and x equal to +2. Notice the y value at x equal to -2 and x equal to +2 is 0. Whenever the graph intersects x-axis, y values will be 0. Whenever it intersects y-axis, then x value will be 0. So since it is intersecting x-axis at -2 and 2, we can say x-intercepts, there are two. One of them is x equal to -2 and the another one x equal to +2. So once we have a graph, we can notice, we can find out, we can identify the x and the y-intercept of the graph. X-intercept means x values wherever the graph intersects x-axis. Y-intercept means y values of the point where the graph meets y-axis. Well, we can see some more property of the equation using this graph. For example, let's say when x equal to 1, when x equal to 1, see, we see a point when x equal to 1, y equal to -3. So this point is a point where x equal to 1 and y equal to -3. So in order to find y value when x equal to 1, we have to go just below x-axis. Let's say this is x equal to 1, this is y, which is y equal to -3. So we can say the y value is -3 when x value is 1. In fact, we can find y value of any of the point in this graph using the x value and going up or down depending on if the graph is up x-axis or down x-axis. Well, if we can do a lot more using this graphing calculator, suppose two equations are given. Suppose two equations are given and we want to know where they intersect. We want to find the point of intersection. If we want to find point of intersection given two equation, what we need to do is graph both the equations. So I am graphing two equations. One of the equation I am using is y equal to x square minus 4. Now another equation I want to use is, let's say, y equal to x. So I have another line here, another graph. There is a line which is the graph of the equation y equal to x. So I have two equations. This is y equal to x square minus 4, and this equation is y equal to x. And I can see from the graph the two graphs intersect at this point and at this point. And well, for this point x equal to let me see how much is x for this point. So for this point x is x is 2.562 and y is 2.562. So one of the point of intersection x value and y value I can notice from the graphing calculator, and similarly for another point of intersection x value is negative 1.562 and y value is negative 1.562 as well. So we can use the graphing calculator, graph two equations and notice the point of intersections. Thank you.